Okay, we are here to symbol the PC. This is the Acer V6 series. Okay, we're going to try to unbox this PC. Okay, we're going to move it carefully. We're going to place it carefully. Okay, handle with care. Okay, we're going to unwrap this PC. Okay, we're going to try to symbol it. Okay. I'm going to assist it. Okay, we have now we have already symboled the PC. And right now we're going to put some accessories at the back of the PC. We're going to unbox the system unit. We're going to try to symbol or to install the system unit. Okay, but first we're going to get the keyboard, put it out. We must handle with care. Must be slowly and must be careful to install those things. Okay, right now it's time for the system unit. Must be slowly. Okay, now unbox the system unit. You just need to unwrap the system unit. You must be also to be careful while unwrapping the system unit. Now we have already unwrapped the system unit. Okay, it's time for now to install the cords. As you see, those are the cords where you can actually make your computer set turn on. Okay, but first we also need to unwrap the keyboard. This keyboard is also a Veritone, Acer keyboard. We have already unboxed the keyboard. Just need to install the keyboard. But first you must also organize your area. It must be clean and neat so it is easy for you to find those things. Here we need to unwrap the power cord. Okay, those cords are useful for giving power to your monitor and to your system unit. Those are blurred. So these are the serial codes. Serial code. Okay. And those are the power cords. Okay. Next, this is also that's also the serial code. Next, this is the VGA where you can connect your monitor to your system unit. This is the mouse, the free mouse. That's the brand, Acer, and also that's the serial code. Okay, next. Yeah, that's an extra power cord for in case of emergency.